Welcome back to Eleana's Everything. Today, we've got an exciting adventure in store as we take you along on our visit to the Boeing Museum. But there's a twist to our plans. We actually did not go to the Warbird as we initially planned. Instead, we explored the captivating world of aviation right here at the Boeing Museum. We were filled with anticipation to explore this museum, but there's a bit of disappointment in the air. You see, the other parts of the Boeing factory are still closed, which is a bit sad news for all aviation enthusiasts out there. But hey, in fairness, it's quite affordable. Just $12 for adults, $6 for youth aged 6 to 15, and children 5 and under get into 4 free. Seniors, which is 65 years old with ID, and military personnel with ID can also get in for $10. Boeing employees with up to 4 guests with ID get it for free, and if you're an annual pass holder, then it's just $6. They're closed on Tuesday and Wednesdays, so plan your visit accordingly.
What do you think of that?
Now, while it's great to understand aviation through the exhibits, here, there's a little longing in our hearts to see the factory itself. Unfortunately, it's closed for now, but don't worry, some areas are still open for exploration.
That's either up here or they have another field down Tacoma. Where you can see a ton of Boeing in transit.
the wingtips
Yeah.
pulled up so you can get into the hangars and stuff. There we go.
We spent just under 2 hours here, and for me, that was okay. But Luke's parents were a bit upset, understandable so. So, in the end, is it better to visit in 𝙈𝙀𝘿𝑃 or skip it when the factory is closed, even if some areas are open? Well, that's a question we leave to you, our viewers. As for us, it was still a fantastic day of aviation discovering here at the Boeing Museum. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting vlogs. Stay tuned for our next journey. Until next time, happy exploring. God bless and take care. Bye.